Hi, I'm Eddie, a second-year student here at Trobe. Welcome back to our Ready, Set, Trobe series, where we explore the tools that make uni life easier. In today's episode, we'll join my friends Maya and Liam as they dive into one of the most important parts of getting started, the Trobe Handbook. Let's check it out.
Okay, wait, I'm enrolled, but what even is my course and why do I have 12 subjects when I only picked 4? And what kind of assignments will I be doing?
You clearly haven't checked the Trobe Handbook.
The handbook, that sounds serious.
Don't stress, Liam. The Trobe Handbook is your official online guide to every course and subject.
So it's like a cheat sheet for my degree?
Exactly. It tells you what you'll study, when, and how. Think of it as your uni GPS. The handbook is your academic roadmap. It shows your course overview, structure, credit points, completion requirements, learning outcomes, and even career options.
It's how you make sure you're studying the right subjects in the right order.
Nice, less guessing, more graduating. But how can I find it?
Just search Trobe Handbook or go to handbook.latrobe.edu.au. You don't need to log in. Anyone can use it.
Search using your course name or subject code.
Typing Bachelor of Being Lost. Wait, nothing's coming up?
Try your actual course and make sure you check the version for the year you started. Each version matches your admission year. On a course page, you'll see Course Overview, including your school, course coordinator, duration, and study location. Completion requirements, what your course involves and how many subjects or credit points you need to complete. Course structure, a breakdown of your core and elective subjects, intended learning outcomes, and career opportunities. Click on a subject to open its page. Each subject shows the overview and the coordinator's name, the assessment methods, class requirements, the subject's intended learning outcomes, and any enrollment rules or prerequisites. And be careful, always select the instance that matches your semester or year.
It's your map and manual in one.
Finally, a guide that actually tells me what's going on.
Pro tip, use advanced search when picking electives. Filter by subject area, level, or semester.
So before choosing or changing subjects,
always check the handbook first.
Got it. The handbook, my new best friend.
If you need help, chat to Ask Trobe. We've got your back.